Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on something pretty fascinating: how a modern SUV, specifically the Chery Tiggo 7, goes from a raw concept to a finished vehicle. You know, Chery has really upped its game globally, and the Tiggo 7 is a prime example of their ambition. It's not just about a sleek design, it's what happens behind the scenes in their factories that really tells the story of their manufacturing prowess. We're going on a deep dive, looking at the claims, the evidence, and the sheer scale of modern car production. Get ready to see some incredible automation and meticulous detail. Before a single piece of metal is cut, the journey of the Tiggo 7 begins in the R&D labs and design studios. Chery invests heavily here, translating market trends and consumer feedback into digital models and prototypes. This initial phase isn't just about aesthetics, it's about engineering every component for performance, safety, and manufacturability. They use advanced CAD software to simulate everything, from crash tests to aerodynamic flow, long before physical production starts. It's truly where the intellectual capital of the company is transformed into a tangible blueprint for mass production, setting the stage for everything that follows. Our first physical stop is the stamping shop, often called the heartbeat of the factory. This is where giant coils of high-strength steel are fed into massive hydraulic presses. The claims of precision here are backed by incredible force, with presses capable of delivering thousands of tons of pressure to form panels like doors, hoods, and body sides. Each panel needs to be perfectly consistent, because even a millimeter off here can cause major issues down the line. It's a symphony of mechanical might, turning flat metal into the complex, structural components that define the vehicle's shape. What's impressive isn't just the power, but the speed and efficiency. Modern stamping lines, like Chery's, are highly automated. We're talking about integrated systems that can feed, press, and stack panels with minimal human intervention. This optimization significantly reduces production time and waste. It's a huge leap from older methods, where manual handling was common. The investment in these high-speed lines shows a commitment to volume and cost-effectiveness, critical factors in the competitive SUV market, allowing them to produce hundreds of thousands of vehicles annually. Once stamped, these individual panels move to the welding shop, where the magic of the body-in-white (BIW) process happens. This is arguably the most visually stunning part of the factory, dominated by an army of synchronized robots. They meticulously weld together hundreds, sometimes thousands, of points to create the rigid, unpainted vehicle shell. The precision of these robots is insane, ensuring structural integrity and consistent panel gaps. This phase is crucial for the vehicle's safety and overall perceived quality, as any misalignment here can cascade into major issues later on. It's fascinating to see the balance between human oversight and robotic execution here. While robots handle the repetitive, high-precision welding tasks, skilled technicians monitor the process and handle complex, often delicate, welds where a human touch or specific access is required. This hybrid approach allows for both the speed and consistency of automation, along with the flexibility and problem-solving ability of human workers. It's a testament to modern manufacturing, where technology amplifies human capability rather than entirely replacing it, focusing human talent on higher-value tasks like quality assurance. Next up is the paint shop, a highly controlled environment designed to deliver that flawless finish we expect. This isn't just about making the car look good, paint provides crucial protection against corrosion and environmental damage. The process is incredibly complex, involving multiple layers. First, the BIW body is cleaned, then it undergoes an E-coat for rust prevention, followed by primer, base coat, for color, and finally a clear coat for protection and shine. It's an elaborate dance of robots in carefully regulated conditions, like temperature and humidity, to ensure a perfect, durable finish. Modern paint shops, like Chery's, also prioritize environmental responsibility. This means using water-based paints where possible, and employing advanced filtration and ventilation systems to minimize VOC emissions. It's a significant investment, but essential for meeting global environmental standards and reducing their carbon footprint. The efficiency of paint application has also improved dramatically, with robots minimizing overspray and ensuring even coverage, which reduces paint waste. This commitment to sustainability is becoming a non-negotiable part of premium automotive manufacturing, and Chery definitely seems to be on board. After paint, the body moves to the powertrain assembly line. This is where the engine and transmission, often built in a separate, specialized facility, are united to form the vehicle's heart. These components are incredibly complex, containing hundreds of moving parts, and require meticulous assembly. Workers use specialized tools to precisely mount the engine block, transmission, and all associated systems like the exhaust and fuel lines. The claims of power and efficiency in the Tiggo 7 begin right here, where the precision engineering of the powertrain comes to life, ready to propel the SUV forward. Following the powertrain, the vehicle chassis starts coming together. This involves installing the suspension, braking system, axles, and wheels. These are the foundations of the vehicle's ride, handling, and safety. Workers integrate these heavy components, often with the assistance of ergonomic lift assist systems, onto the vehicle frame. Each bolt is torqued to exact specifications, a critical step to ensure safety and performance. It's a ballet of heavy machinery and human precision, building out the underlying structure that will support the entire vehicle and its passengers. Now we move to the final assembly line, often called the trim line, where the car truly starts to look like a car. This is a highly intensive, often manual, process where everything from the dashboard and seats to wiring harnesses and interior panels are installed. Think of it, miles of wiring, hundreds of components, all needing to fit perfectly. It's a complex logistical challenge to ensure every component arrives at the right workstation at the right time. The human element here is significant, with skilled workers performing delicate operations that robots often can't replicate, like precisely routing cables or fitting upholstery. The efficiency here relies on just-in-time delivery systems, where parts arrive at the assembly line only when needed, minimizing inventory and maximizing space. This also helps in reducing waste and optimizing workflow. For a vehicle like the Tiggo 7, which offers various trim levels and options, this logistical ballet is even more critical. Each car on the line might be unique, requiring a specific set of components. Managing this complexity requires sophisticated software and coordination, allowing Chery to build a diverse range of vehicles on the same line without missing a beat. Before any Tiggo 7 leaves the factory, it undergoes a rigorous series of quality control checks. This isn't just a quick look-over, it's a multi-stage process involving automated inspections and human expertise. Each vehicle goes through alignment checks, brake tests, water leak tests and simulated rain chambers, and even a short test drive on a specialized track. This extensive testing is how Chery backs up its claims of reliability and safety. It's their final promise to the customer that the vehicle meets stringent standards, and it's absolutely critical for brand reputation. The evolution of quality control in automotive manufacturing is striking. Historically, QC was very manual and subjective. Today, modern factories like Chery's integrate advanced technologies. We're talking about AI-powered vision systems that can detect surface imperfections invisible to the human eye, and precision sensors for measuring panel gaps down to fractions of a millimeter. While human inspectors still play a vital role, especially in subjective areas like fit and finish, the blend of technology ensures a far more consistent and thorough quality assessment. It's a clear trade-off: higher initial investment in tech for significantly improved, objective quality output. Once a Tiggo 7 passes all quality checks, it moves to the logistics hub. Here, vehicles are prepped for shipment, either by truck, rail, or even ship, to dealerships and customers worldwide. This involves meticulous tracking and coordination to ensure vehicles reach their destinations efficiently and without damage. The sheer volume of vehicles moving out of a modern factory is staggering, which is wild, by the way. Chery, being a global brand, manages a complex international supply chain, requiring sophisticated logistics management systems to ensure smooth distribution to various markets, from local Chinese consumers to customers in Europe or South America. So, what does this deep dive into the Tiggo 7's manufacturing tell us about Chery? It highlights their strategic investment in advanced automation and quality control. They're not just building cars, they're building a reputation for reliability and value. The integration of high-tech robotics, sophisticated logistics, and stringent quality checks underscores a manufacturing philosophy focused on precision and efficiency. This approach allows them to compete effectively in both domestic and international markets, challenging established players with well-engineered and consistently produced vehicles. It's a bold statement in the global automotive landscape. Chery's factories are also increasingly focusing on sustainability and innovation. This isn't just about paint shops, it extends to energy efficiency, waste reduction across the entire process, and exploring new manufacturing techniques for electric vehicles. Many modern plants incorporate renewable energy sources, smart lighting systems, and comprehensive recycling programs. This forward-thinking approach isn't just good for the planet, it also represents long-term cost savings and enhanced brand image. It shows Chery is not just producing for today, but actively innovating for the future of automotive manufacturing. While we've highlighted automation, it's crucial to remember the skilled workforce behind it all. Engineers, technicians, and assembly line workers are indispensable. They design the systems, maintain the robots, perform complex manual tasks, and ensure quality at every stage. Chery invests in training and development, recognizing that human capital is as vital as advanced machinery. This skilled workforce is the backbone of the factory's efficiency and adaptability, ensuring that when issues arise, there are capable hands and minds to solve them, keeping the complex production machinery running smoothly and effectively. Chery's manufacturing facilities are a testament to their ambition, not just in China, but globally. With factories and assembly plants in multiple countries, they've established a significant international footprint. This global reach allows them to tailor production to local market demands, reduce logistical costs, and navigate complex trade regulations. The lessons learned in building the Tiggo 7 are applied across their product range, demonstrating a consistent commitment to modern manufacturing principles. It's about scale, adaptability, and local responsiveness, a key advantage in the competitive global automotive arena. So, there you have it, a full deep dive into how a Chery Tiggo 7 SUV is manufactured. It's a complex, highly automated process driven by precision engineering and continuous innovation. From the initial design simulations to the final rigorous quality checks, every step is optimized for efficiency, quality, and increasingly, sustainability. It's a far cry from the car factories of old, showcasing the power of modern technology and a skilled workforce working in tandem. The Chery Tiggo 7 isn't just a vehicle, it's a product of an advanced manufacturing ecosystem, a symbol of Chery's rising influence in the global automotive landscape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.